Introduction. In earlier classes, we have learnt about area, surface area and volume of solid shapes. We did many exercises to understand what they mean. For example, to find the quantity of paint required to whitewash a room, we need the surface area and not the volume. To find the number of boxes that would contain a quantity of grain, we need the volume and not the area. We see so many things of different shapes around us. Houses stand on pillars, storage water tanks are cylindrical and are placed on cuboidal foundations. A cricket bat has a cylindrical handle and a flat main body, etc. Of these objects, like football, have shapes where we know that the surface area and volume. We can, however, see that other objects can be seen as combinations of the solid shapes. So, their surface area and volume we now have to find. Example. An oil drum is in the shape of a cylinder having the following dimensions. Diameter is 2 meters and height is 7 meters. The painter charges 3 rupees per meter square to paint the drum. Find the total charges to be paid to the painter for 10 drums. Solution. It is given that the diameter of the cylinder is equal to 2 meters. Oil drum. Radius of cylinder is equal to d by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1 meter. Total surface of a cylindrical drum is equal to 2 into PR into R plus H is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 1 into 1 plus 7 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 8 is equal to 352 by 7 meter square is equal to 50.28 meter square. So, the total surface area of a drum is equal to 50.28 meter square. Painting charge per 1 meter square is equal to 3 rupees. Cost of painting of 10 drums is equal to 50.28 into 3 into 10 is equal to 1508 rupees 40 paisa. Example. A sphere, a cylinder and a cone are the same radius and the same height. Find the ratio of their curved surface areas. Solution. Let R be the common radius of a sphere, a cone and cylinder. Height of a sphere is equal to its diameter is equal to 2r. Then the height of the cone is equal to height of cylinder. Height of sphere is equal to 2r. Let L be the slant height of the cone is equal to square root of r square plus h square is equal to square root of r square plus 2r whole square is equal to square root of 5r. Since S1 is equal to curved surface area of the sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. S2 is equal to curved surface area of cylinder. 2 pi r h is equal to 2 pi r into 2r is equal to 4 pi r square. S3 is equal to curved surface area of cone is equal to pi rl is equal to pi r into square root of 5r is equal to square root of 5 pi r square. Ratio of curved surface area as therefore S1 is to S2 is to S3 is equal to 4 pi r square is to 4 pi r square is to root 5 pi r square is equal to 4 is to 4 is to root 5. Example. A right circular cylinder has base radius 14 cm, and height 21 centimeters. Find number 1. Area of base or area of each end. Number 2. Curved surface area. Number 3. Total surface area. And number 4. Volume of the right circular cylinder. Solution. Radius of the cylinder R is equal to 14 centimeters. Height of the cylinder H is equal to 21 centimeters. Now, number 1. Area of base pi r square is equal to 22 by 7 into 14 whole square is equal to 616 centimeter square. Repeat, is equal to 616 centimeter square. Number 2. Curved surface area 2 pi r h is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 21 is equal to 1848 centimeter square. Number 3. Total surface area is equal to 2 into area of the base plus curved surface area is equal to 2 into 616 plus 1848 is equal to 3080 centimeters square. Number 4. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h is equal to area of the base into height is equal to 616 into 21 is equal to 12,936 centimeters cube. Example. Find the volume and the total surface area of hemisphere of radius 3.5 centimeters. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. Solution. Radius of sphere R is 3.5 centimeters is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 is equal to 539 by 6 is equal to 89.93 centimeter square. Total surface area is equal to 3 pi r square is equal to 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 is equal to 231 by 2 is equal to 115.5 centimeter square. Surface area of the combination of solids. We have seen solids which are made up of combination of solids known like sphere, cylinder and cone. Ice cream is usually made up of cone and hemisphere. An oil tanker or water tanker is made up of a cylinder with two hemispheres at its ends. If for some reason you wanted to find the surface areas or volumes or capacities of such objects, how would you do it? The oil tanker was made up of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck at either end. If we consider the surface of the newly formed object, we would be able to see only the curved surfaces of the two hemispheres and the curved surface of the cylinder. Example. A wooden toy rocket is in the shape of a cone mounted on a cylinder as shown in the adjacent figure. The height of the entire rocket is 26 centimeters while the height of the conical part is 6 centimeters. The base of the conical position has a diameter of 5 centimeters while the base diameter of the cylindrical portion is 3 centimeters. If the conical portion is to be painted orange and the cylindrical portion is to be painted yellow, find the area of the rocket painted with each of these color. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Solution. Let R be the radius of the base of the cone and its slant height be small l. Further, let R1 be the radius of cylinder and H1 be its height. We have R is equal to 2.5 centimeters, H is equal to 6 centimeters, R1 is equal to 1.5 centimeters, H1 is equal to 20 centimeters. Now, L is equal to square root of R square plus H square is equal to L is equal to square root of 2.5 whole square plus 6 square is equal to L is equal to square root of 6.25 plus 36 is equal to square root of 42.25 is equal to 6.5. Now, area to be painted orange is equal to curved surface area of the cone is equal to pi RL is equal to 3.14 into 2.5 into 6.5 is equal to 51.025 centimeter square. Area to be painted yellow. Curved surface area of the cylinder plus area of the base of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi R1 H1 plus pi R1 square is equal to pi R1 into 2 H1 plus R1 is equal to 3.14 into 1.5 into 2 into 20 plus 15 centimeter square is equal to 3.14 into 1.5 into 41.5 centimeter square. 4.71 into 41.5 centimeter square is equal to 195.465 centimeter square. Therefore, area to be painted yellow is equal to 195.465 centimeter square. Volume of combination of solids. In calculating the surface area of combination of solids, we cannot add the surface areas of the two solids because some part of the surface areas disappears in the process of joining them. However, this will not be the case when we calculate the volume. The volume of the solid formed by joining two basic solids will actually be the sum of the volumes of the constituents. Example: a solid toy is in the form of the right circular cylinder with hemispherical shape at one end and a cone at the other end. Their common diameter is 4.2 centimeters and the height of the cylindrical and conical portions are 12 centimeters and 7 centimeters respectively. Find the volume of the solid toy. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. Solution: let height of the conical portion h1 is equal to 7 centimeters. The height of the cylindrical portion h2 is equal to 12 centimeters. Radius r is equal to 4.2 by 2 is equal to 2.1 is equal to 21 by 10 centimeters. Volume of the solid toy is equal to volume of the cone plus volume of the cylinder plus volume of the hemisphere is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h1 plus pi r square h2 plus 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to pi r square into 1 by 3 h1 plus h2 plus 2 by 3 r is equal to 22 by 7 into 21 by 10 whole square into 1 by 3 into 7 plus 12 plus 2 by 3 into 21 by 10 is equal to 22 by 7 into 441 by 100 into 7 by 3 plus 12 by 1 plus 7 by 5 is equal to 22 by 7 into 441 by 100 into 35 plus 180 plus 21 by 15 is equal to 22 by 7 into 441 by 100 into 236 by 15 is equal to 27,258 by 125 is equal to 218.064 centimeters cube. Example: a solid consisting of a right circular cone standing on a hemisphere is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water and touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder, given that the radius of the cylinder is 3 centimeters and its height is 6 centimeters. The radius of the hemisphere is 2 centimeters and the height of the cone is 4 centimeters. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. Solution: ABCD is a cylinder and LMN is a hemisphere, OLM is a cone. We know that where a solid consisting of a cone and hemisphere is immersed in the cylinder full of water, then some water equal to the volume of the solid is displaced. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h is equal to pi into 32 into 6 is equal to 54 pi centimeters cube. Volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 2 by 3 into pi into 2 cube is equal to 16 by 3 pi centimeters cube. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into 2 square into 4 is equal to 16 by 3 pi centimeters cube. Volume of cone and hemisphere is equal to 16 by 3 pi plus 16 by 3 pi is equal to 32 by 3 pi. Volume of water left in cylinder is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone and hemisphere is equal to volume of cylinder minus 32 by 3 pi is equal to 54 pi minus 32 pi by 3 is equal to 162 pi minus 32 pi by 3 is equal to 130 pi by 3 is equal to 130 by 3 into 22 by 7 is equal to 2860 by 21 is equal to 136.19 centimeter square. Conversion of solid from one shape to another. In gun factories, spherical bullets are made by melting solid cube of lead. Goldsmith prepares various ornaments by melting cuboid gold biscuits. In all these cases, the shapes of solids are converted into another shape. In this process, the volume always remains the same. For example, let us take a candle in the shape of solid cylinder, melt it and pour whole of the molten wax into another container shaped like a sphere. On cooling, you will obtain a candle in the shape of sphere. The volume of the new candle will be the same as the volume of the earlier candle. This is what we have to remember when we come across objects which are converted from one shape to another, or when a liquid which originally filled a container of a particular shape is poured into another container of a different shape or size, as you observe in the following figures. Example: a cone of height 24 centimeters and radius of base 6 centimeters is made up of a modeling clay. A child reshapes it in the form of a sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. Solution: volume of cylinder is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into 6 into 6 into 24 centimeters cube. If r is the radius of the sphere, then its volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Since the volume of clay in the form of the cone and the sphere remains the same, we have 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 1 by 3 pi into 6 into 6 into 24. R cube is equal to 3 into 3 into 24 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 8. R cube is equal to 3 cube into 2 cube. R is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, the radius of the sphere is 6 centimeters. Example: a hemispherical bowl of internal radius 15 centimeters contains a liquid. The liquid is to be filled into cylindrical bottles of diameter 5 centimeters and height 6 centimeters. How many bottles are necessary to empty the bowl? Solution: volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Internal radius of hemisphere is equal to 15 centimeters. Therefore, volume of liquid contained in hemispherical bowl is equal to 2 by 3 pi into 15 cube centimeters cube is equal to 2250 pi centimeters cube. This liquid is to be filled in cylindrical bottles and the height of each bottle h is equal to 6 centimeters. Radius of cylindrical bottle r is equal to 5 by 2 centimeters. Therefore, volume of one cylindrical bottle is equal to pi r square h is equal to pi into 5 by 2 whole square into 6 is equal to pi into 25 by 4 into 6 centimeters cube is equal to 75 by 2 pi centimeters cube. Number of cylindrical bottles required is equal to volume of hemispherical bowl by volume of one cylindrical bottle is equal to 2250 pi by 75 by 2 pi is equal to 2 into 2250 by 75 is equal to 60.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.